India's Union Budget 2026 has been just announced and the market reacted sharply. Here's we need to know the budget highlights. First one is big capex push. The government is increased the public capital expenditure to 12.2 lakh crore, the highest in the year to boost the infrastructure and the growth. And the second one is GST and the tax changes. No change in the income tax slabs, but the compliance timelines have been extended to ease of filing. And the third one is financial markets reform. New tool like a total return swaps, incentive for a municipal bonds, and a deeper bond market reforms were introduced. And the fourth one is tech and the manufacturing boost. 100% tax holiday for a data centers up to 2047 and the strong focus on semiconductor and the high-tech manufacturing. What it means? Government is pushing a long-term growth, jobs and the infrastructure. Immediate market reaction after the budget. Stock market tented after the budget speech with the Sensex and the Nifty tumbling sharply. Why this happens? The security transaction taxes on future and option was hiked significantly, raising a trading cost. Buyback will now taxed as a capital gains. And the result is active traders and the derivative actively hit. Banking and the exchange stock fell hard as the volume dropped. What analysts are saying now? Negative near-term sentiment like a highest STT and the lack of tax ops disappointed the traders. Macro stability like a fiscal discipline and the strong capex provide a confidence for a long-term investors. Foreign flows like a higher trading cost might dampen a foreign portfolio investor interest initially. After this, we'll see the winners and losers of this budget. Short-term losers, brokerage firms and exchanges, high-frequency traders, derivative-heavy strategies. And we'll see the potential gainers for long-term. Infrastructure and the construction companies, tech and semiconductor stocks, biopharma and the manufacturing sector saw a positive response from some segments. Tip: long-term investor must look beyond the short-term noise. And the final budget wrap-up is here. Budget 2026 delivered a growth-oriented roadmap, but the markets took a breather due to higher trading cost. Short-term volatility is real, but the bigger story is infrastructure, tech, and the long-term structural reform. Like, subscribe for more market insights.